So this is what Amazon sent me. They called it a renewed premium iPhone 15 Pro Max. I was kind of excited. I've been rocking a iPhone 13 poverty phone, as my friends have called it, and it was time for me to upgrade. We've been doing more videos on my channel and my wife's channel, so I was pretty excited. Got it, pulled it out of the box, hit the power button, and nothing. That's strange. Maybe it needs charging. I don't know. Let me hook up a charger to it. Cool, it fits, but it doesn't charge, and it doesn't, oh wait, there's a pin missing. So now we have a real problem. I got scammed. This is a Amazon renewed iPhone 15 Pro Max that is non-working. Okay, no problem, send it back. $800 plus, goes back on my card. Wrong answer. When I got on chat with the handy dandy folks at Amazon, somewhere overseas, they instructed me to reset the phone. Did I mention it doesn't turn on? Did I mention I can't charge it because the port is fake or broken or both? Well, it's already linked to your Apple iTunes account. Just deactivate it from there and we can process a return. I can't turn it on. How would I link it to my account? And when I did that, there's something moving in here too, folks. So I go in a loop. Reset the iPhone. Then you'll be able to do, no, you don't understand. And it's a loop, right? It's the perfect loop. I went through 3 tech and 1 supervisor via chat. And unfortunately, since I can't unlink my iTunes account from this phone, they can't return it. Okay, strange. Now what do? We'll call Apple. Well, I have no IMEI, I have no real box, I have no serial number because on the outside there is no serial number. Apple's not going to be able to help me. I was at a loss. I was mad, to be honest. So I said, you know what, sometimes I have luck when I call Amazon support. So pulled up the computer, dialed up support, they called me, I answered on my poverty phone, and walked through the same steps that I was taken through via chat. Your iPhone is already linked to your iTunes account, you must detach. No, I can't do that because it won't turn on, it won't charge. Well, you just need to reset. You weren't listening, on and on and on again. Okay, fast forward. I asked for a supervisor. Supervisor, no help. Sorry, we can't help you. Repeat, 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 hang up. That sucks. There's an hour gone. 45 minutes on chat before that. Let's try again. Finally get to someone in India who is receptive and understands and then goes into the loop again. I'll spare you the details there. You already know. I asked for a supervisor, to which a supervisor comes on. I explain the situation. This is the perfect scam, the perfect setup for not being able to return the phone, and they process a return for me. A one-time exception, sir. Okay, fine. So we get a one-time exception. She says, do you want a replacement or do you want a refund? And I say, well, I was really looking for the phone. Process a replacement. Okay, fine. Replacement set. When will that be delivered? About 4 to 6 weeks from now. Okay. Just process a cancellation. I'm sorry, I can't do that. You've already been sent a new one. All right. Okay, just cancel it and refund me my money. Can't do that. We're already sent a replacement. But it's going to take 4 to 6 weeks to get here, so just cancel that and just give me a refund. So sorry. Too bad, so sad. Hang up. I'm frustrated. I'm 2+ hours into this, almost 3. And I have another phone on the way. Maybe it's another one of these. Maybe it's a real one. Maybe it's not. Fast forward, I call back, get someone else on the line, go through the loop twice more with the tech who was unhelpful, escalated to a supervisor, and they understand, they go through the stuff, and they process a refund. I'm mad at this point because this cost me 4 hours of my day. They have $800+ and I am no further on down the line. And then I started thinking about it. This is the perfect scam on Amazon. They are able to stop you from returning it by providing a serial number that I can't even see. And when it's in Amazon, they say, yeah, it's linked to an iTunes account. So there's the perfect scam, right? They sell you something, it's already registered to someone else's account, probably not even an iPhone 15 Pro Max. It might even be an iPhone 11. But nonetheless, Apple has a policy set in place that you can't return or get a refund for a phone that's already registered and can't unlink. Supplier provides Amazon these phones to sell. They sell. Supplier gets the money. Mom, pop, me, grandma, grandpa, you're kind of screwed. You can't return the phone unless you're vigilant. And it's been 4+ hours. So I wanted to alert people to the scam, explain a little bit about what I went through, but then also explain how to spot one of these. I mean, this is honestly, you'd freak out. This is not even a real phone. I think there's nothing inside here. I think these are camera phone covers. I think this is a front glass. And I think this is some sort of body, aftermarket body that's been mocked up to look like an iPhone 15 Pro Max. But I'm here to tell you, don't buy renewed products by Apple on Amazon. You're likely to get scammed. I'm not the first. I've read reviews online. The same thing has been happening, especially on Prime Day when you're driven by time constraints.